Hello my friends, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora. In the previous video, I talked about how to live a life of no regrets. Many told me that it's hard to do what I said in the previous video. Now, here in this video, I am going to tell you some things that can help you to practice living life without regrets. These are some of the things you're going to start practicing. Start doing them on a daily basis. It will help you to learn how to live a life without regrets. So, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you are the first to know. If you'd like a one-on-one online counseling session, go to norarake.com/booking. Without further ado, let's get into this video. As we grow older, we learn how to grow. But it doesn't mean we have to regret the things we did before we learned how to do things differently. If we didn't go through these experiences, we might not have grown into the strong and knowledgeable people that we are today. So, what I'm proposing today is that we get rid of those negative thoughts, the could haves, might haves, and should haves, and start living a life that won't make us feel regretful. Not even at an older, wiser age. So, here is a list of 40 things that you can do to practice living with no regrets. Number 1, realize that it's okay to make mistakes. Just make sure that you learn from them. Forgive yourself and move on. Number 2, make your health and wellness a top priority in your life. And always take care of yourself and your health so that you are ready to take care of others. Number 3, follow your own path, not one that others want you to follow. Number 4, find the humor in life and laugh like there is no tomorrow. Number 5, relax and move with the flow of life without being afraid of change. Number 6, be adventurous. Try new things and take more risks. Number 7, have more intellectual curiosity and embrace creativity. Number 8, try to find happiness with as many people as you can. Number 9, think for yourself. Don't overlet people's opinions influence you all the time. After all, that's why you have a brain. Number 10, do not judge people before you get to know them. So if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notifications bell so that when I post a video, you get notified. Number 11, be thankful of what you have now. Do not think about what you don't have. Number 12, wish well for everyone. And when you admire, just admire without envy. Number 13, share your happiness with others. Don't hold it all for yourself. Number 14, don't try to change someone. Love who they are now. Remember, people are different. People are not you. Everyone is different. So, love people the way they are. Number 15, enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Number 16, know that happiness is bigger than any other bank account. Number 17, control negative thoughts so that they don't contribute to the outcome of your life. Number 18, use your energy wisely, because spending your energy complaining Worrying and being impatient is just a waste of energy. Number 19, be bold. Find the courage to change things that could have changed, that ought to have been changed, and accept that there are some things that cannot be changed. Number 20, love your work. If you don't currently love what you do, figure out what you would love to do and take the first step towards doing just that. Number 21, are you discontented about something? Turn it into a mystery and enjoy trying to solve it. Number 22, face problems at different angles in order to find solutions for them. Number 23, gain independence by realizing that in this life, we all depend on each other. We all depend upon each other and no man is an island. So, in your quest for independence, realize that as well. Number 24, change your perspective by looking at a wider view of things. Number 25, don't waste your time trying to bring people who don't like you to like you, trying to bring people who disagree with you to agree with you. Number 26, become the person you would like to spend the rest of your life with. Number 27, be honest with yourself and others by saying what you mean and meaning what you say. Number 28, treat people with compassion and respect. Number 29, live in the now and loving the present and being aware of your thoughts and actions. Think happy thoughts and speak powerful words. Number 30, do not put things off until later. Do not procrastinate. Are you new to my channel? Hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notifications bell so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Number 31, never hold grudges. Number 32, face your fears head on and try to do the things that you think you cannot do. Number 33, spend time with the people who make you happy. But remember, you are not supposed to depend on them for your own happiness. Happiness comes from within. Number 34, stand up for yourself and others and do not let anything hold you back. Do not let anyone hold you back as well. Number 35, be yourself and love who you are now. Number 36, be a participant in life, not just an observer. Number 37, do the things that you love to do as much as you can. Number 38, write down a list of your goals and dreams and achieve them by doing it step by step. Don't give up when things get difficult. Number 39, do something every day that makes you feel proud of yourself. Commit random acts of kindness whenever you get a chance. It's so refreshing and fulfilling. Number 40, no matter what you do, keep on moving forward. I know this looks like a long list of things to take on, but you can accomplish a lot on this list by doing one thing at a time. Put these things to practice and see where life takes you without regrets. And please comment below, because I would like to know your thoughts about this. These are the top 40 ways on how to practice living a life without regrets. I'm going to tag the videos at the end of this video. You can watch the things that people who are dying regret most about. You can watch how to live a life without regrets. Don't forget to follow my handles. Instagram is iam_Nora. Facebook is facebook.com/Nora82. Twitter is @NoraCharimpa. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you. I would like to know what you think. Bye.